Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue to create this Nitro engine or RC engine for the aircraft propeller. Today we are going to create some of the part here, which is this one. This one is a crankshaft. We would like to create this one. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to create a new component from this part. So I create a name crankshaft. Okay, as you can see, they appear here. Okay, I will turn off all the previous component and then I will create a sketch. I will begin with the front plane, which is x and z axis, and then I will create the this one, and this one. Okay, yeah, this is give me roughly the idea and on the overall length. So I will create the length first. This one I will create the 45.713. okay, and then this one will be 6.125. okay, 6.125, and then this one will be 31. okay, and then the diameter here and here, right click, diameter dimension is 14. okay, this one, let me check. This one 11, this one and this one, right click, is 11, and then this one and this one, right click, it's 8, because I would like to create the M8 for the threaded. And then I finish sketch, I revolve this one, and then this is the axis. Okay, we will continue at the hole over here. There's a hole 3.125. okay, so I would like to create the tangent plane from here, and then this is the 0 degrees, so the reference should be, let me open the plane. So I will make this one as a reference. Okay, and at the 0 degrees, so this plane basically is a parallel with this XY plane. Okay, and then I will create the, and then I project the center point. So maybe I will open that one. Okay, project, so there's a center point, and then I will create a hole over here. So this is the face, and then should be through hole 3.125, the diameter. Okay, there's the hole, and then I continue with the create thread here. If we select this one, this will be all threaded. So if I would like not to use the full length, so this is a check mark, you can turn off the full length, and then you can measure from the position here. So let's say this one would be 16, so I will create this length is 16. okay, so easier to us to get the length of this threaded. Okay, if you would like to model the thread, so you just click check mark on the model like that. Okay, we leave it like that, and then we continue with this plane over here. we create a circle with the 36 of diameter, and then we create another here. Make sure this here and here is perfectly vertical, line up together, and then the distance should be 11, and then the diameter should be 9.375. Okay, and then I also want to create the line from here to here, and then also this one from here to here. Okay, and I create the distance between two of them, 12.5, and then I make this an equal, this one and this one. Okay, and then this and this point should be at the same level. Okay, so I also want to make a same position of the horizontal between this one and this one. Okay, and then I create an arc with the center point. This is the center point. I use 70 for the radius, and then I will create from the beginning, from this one until this one. Okay, and then one more with the radius 20.25. Okay, I will also create from from this one to this one. Okay, and then I will finish sketch. I just extrude all the body here, the sketch here, okay. With the distance, how much it is? 6.25. Okay, extrude here, the 6.25. Okay, and then I open up my sketch and also want to extrude more, this one, and this one. Okay, and make sure it's a joint, and let's see how much. 9.5. okay, the value 9.5. okay, and then turn off the sketch and we put a chamfer here with a 3mm chamfer. So if we look at over here, okay, yeah, they should be more than 3. Maybe I give it 3.2. yeah, okay, 3.2 the chamfer. Okay, and then we also want to create the shaft. 16.875. extrude this one. Okay, 16.875, but make sure it's a joint. Okay, and then we create a hole. What's the diameter of the hole? Let me measure first this one and this one. 4.5, and then this one 9, depth 28. Okay, this one 4.5. This one is a through hole, and then the position should be at the center. Okay, this one also from here to the center, 9 for the diameter, and then the length should be 28. Okay, and then one more thing, that we have to create this 9 diameter with the 45 degrees of the angle. Okay, so we will have to create the tangent plane from here, and then I make it the reference Okay, I will create the reference here with 45. Okay, 45 degrees. Okay, and then create a sketch, and then how much the distance from here to here, 22.25. so I create a point and create a distance from here, 22.25. okay, and then this one and this one should be at the same level. Okay, and create a hole. Make sure you click this one, either of this one. Okay, 9 diameter, and then the depth would be not too far, maybe just the half of the diameter. This diameter is 14, sorry, and then this is the halfway. Okay, oh, I think this, this one, 22 is from here, so I make a mistake of the here. 22 is not from there, but 22 is from here to here. It's 22.25, 22.25. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then we continue with the fillet. Yeah, we create a fillet. This one, this one, this one, and this one, using 1 radius, and then fillet again, this one. Okay, and then how about this one? Okay, and then continue with that one. Okay, and then continue again with this one. Yeah, okay, and we can also have additional chamfer, 0.5 over there, or maybe this one, 0.5. Okay, usually the hole, usually they have a chamfer. Okay, up there. Yeah. Okay, I think all is finished for this particular shaft, and then we will continue with the next part. Activate the top level of assembly, and then I turn off the crankshaft. I create a new component which is connecting rod. Okay, I start with the left side, and then I create a circle over here with 12.5 diameter, and then I make a construction line with 42.2 length, and then this one is construction. I put a circle over here with 9.375 for the diameter. Okay, continue with the line here and here and here. Make sure this one have the constraint tangent, this one also. Okay, and then finish sketch. I just want to extrude, master extrusion. Okay, this one should be, so this plane, I intended to use this plane, so 0.8 to the back part. Okay, I will extrude. First one is This one is to the two side. The back side is minus 0.8, okay, and then over there is a 7. Okay, I turn on the sketch, and then I will offset this one 9375. okay, I offset this one to the two side. That one is 0.8. okay, this one is 9.375 minus 0.8. okay, and then for this one is 2.25. this one 2.25. okay, we are done here, and then continue with the diameter 625 and 9325. this one is 932,375, and then the distance is all. okay, and then this one should be 925. okay, oh sorry, 625, 6.25, 6.25, and then should be all, and then the position, oh I misselect, I should be selecting this one. Oh yeah, that one. okay, yeah, okay, and then we continue with the fillet 0.5. okay, I add another more here, add here. okay, and then one more over here, and over here, and over here. oh yeah, okay, 1.125. okay, yes, 1.125. this is the value, the correct value. okay, I think it's done for the connecting rod. It's easy and quick, and then we would like to continue to the other part. okay, let's continue with the next part, which is drive washer. so I back to the top level assembly, and then I create a new component. I type drive washer. okay, and I will turn off the connecting rod, and I will use the front plane as a reference. this one is diameter would be 30, and then I will extrude this one with the length 6.25. okay, then I put the chamfer over here. okay, in the front part use a 3. okay, and then I create the counter bore, this one, counter bore hole, this one, and then put in the center. The hole depth will be all, and then the hole diameter will be 11, and then the counter bore diameter 15, and then the depth is 1.25. okay, and then I will continue with one more thing here. I use the plane, this plane, then I create the project, this one and this one. I create a line from here to here. okay, I make a dimension 3.125 to make sure this one is at the center position. So I use this one, I reference this one and divide it by 2. Okay, so it will be perfectly at the center, and then I extrude this one, okay, up there, and then it's cut to the distance is all. Okay, finish. One is a drive washer. Okay, and then back to the top level, turn off, and then as usual we have to create a new component. I would like to create this, the next one is this one, is a spinner. So I just create the new component, we call it spinner. Okay, and then just use this reference point, then I just do the, okay, maybe just the length. Okay, how much is the length? 36. Okay, oh sorry, 36 here, 36. Oh, why there is a, okay, 36, and then this one is 4.5, R for 4.5. So I create a circle with the 2 points, this one and this one, and I create the 4.5. okay, 9 is the diameter, and then I continue with this one is 28. Okay, so this one is a 28. From here to here, right click, diameter 28, and then create the arc, 3-point arc, this one, and then make sure this one is a tangent. Okay, oh, this one is not at the center, yeah, at the center. Okay, and then the radius 61, should be 61. Okay, finish sketch, and then I revolve this one and this one. This is the axis. Okay, now we just continue to the counter bore here, 15. This one should be M8 and 15 and 1.25. Okay, we use a counter bore here at the position here at the center, and we choose tab. We choose this one should be 15. This one 15, 1 to 5, and then this one should be 8. Okay, and then for the length, yeah, I use maybe I use 16. Okay, if you want to model, just click this one. It's a model for the thread. Okay, oh no, 1875. So the depth should be 1875. This one 18.75. Okay, finish another part. Okay, we continue with the, I go to the top assembly, and then we will continue with these cylinder fins. So I just create a new component, cylinder fins. Okay, and then I start to this plane front view, and then I just click slice to visualize the and easier sketching. So, and then I do the intersects to the whole body. Okay, and then I just use the line here. So this line is basically just for the reference, also for the midpoint here, going up 21 as a reference on also. And then I use this rectangle, okay, here, and then I add another rectangle for the fins. I also add another rectangle. Okay, then we continue with the dimension. The inner diameter is followed by this diameter, so we don't need to put the dimension here. We just put the dimension outer, and then diameter dimension, and the value should be 31.25. okay, and then the outer diameter of the fins should be 48. okay, and then this one, the diameter of this here is 40.75, and then the width of the fin is 1.75, and also this width make a dimension later on. I want to continue to the rectangular pattern for the object, this one, this one, this one, and this one, or not the length one, sorry. Okay, just the shorter one, okay, that one. And then the direction should be, I reference to this line, and then I use a spacing with the number of instance is 5. This one is 1, and then 4.25 as a distance or spacing distance. Okay, and then I click OK. So I need to drag a bit more here, okay, just to cover up this space. And then we just finish, and then revolve all those rectangular. This is the axis, select the axis. Okay, and then I also want to create a reference from this top point to the holes, so I need to project the inner diameter. I project it, okay, and then also I need to project the circle here for the reference, okay, that one. And I also want to create another circle to reference the point here, to draw another point for the hole. Okay, so this hole basically just the same position of the vertical of this center point, and then I just finish sketch and I create a hole. This hole I use the simple hole, which is the diameter is 3.5, okay, 3.5 of the diameter, and then the distance of the hole should be going through this. I use 2, and I reference to this plane. Okay, okay, then I turn on again. So, and then the next hole should be that one. I create a hole here with the distance is to this plane, with the tapped hole with the 3.5 m3.5. Use a tapped hole, okay, and then we just click OK. Okay, so this is the hole for the tapped one. This one is for the this hole is basically for bolt through here, and then this one is for the cylinder head. Okay, and then I continue with the pattern. This I circle pattern. I use the feature. I click both of this hole, and then the axis should be this cylinder, and the number of quantity is 3. Okay, and then I also want to add the fillet here, and here. The value would be 175/2. I want to make it rounded, full rounded. Okay, I think this finish, and then we will continue to another, and then I click the top level assembly. Okay, we continue with the, let me turn off this sketch. We continue with another part, which is the sleeve, the cylinder sleeve. So I create a new component, cylinder sleeve. Cylinder sleeve. Okay, I start with the same plane, this one. This is the same plane, and then I use the slice. I also use the projection, this one, and I click OK. So basically I just create the line here as a reference for the center, and also want to create from this line to that one, and we just create a construction. We continue with the shape here. Make sure this one is 90 degrees with 50 for the length, and then click over there. And then we want to make a dimension with the important one is the internal diameter here. Diameter dimension should be 23.45. And then this one, this one should be 1.5. And then the outer diameter, 32. And then we just finish sketch. We do the revolution for this one, and then the axis should be this one. I think this diameter should be smaller because there is a hole over here. Let me edit first. This one, that one should be 31. 31. 31. So because there is a hole here, so we have to make sure that they don't clash with the hole. And then I also want to create, let me back here, want to project this hole. Basically this hole is for the passage for the air fuel mixture to the combustion chamber. So because this sleeve, if you can see here, this sleeve, let me see, that one, that we have to create a hole over here and over here. So I will project this one, this one, and this one. This is for the internal. And then I also want to create another more slot to make sure this position is the same. Maybe the diameter should be the same, 2.5. okay, I make a dimension. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then because this is the, we have to make a 2 slot from here. Okay, we make sure this radius is the same radius, and then the length also the same length, and then I should put the dimension for the length 5.25. I think it's good. And then the position from the center, I think 4 is good. Here to here should be the same as that one. Okay, let me check for the others. Okay, I think it's all good, and I finish. I turn on the sketch, and I just let me use that one first, this one, and this one for the first one, and then we go through over there and we make sure cut, but you just only cut the cylinder sleeve, so you uncheck this crankcase. Okay, that's okay. And then the other one is the this one and this one, also this sketch and this sketch. We do that in the other way over there, and then also make sure you don't cut, you just cut the cylinder sleeve. Okay, over there, I think it's good. Okay, it's a cylinder sleeve. So we got this hole over here, pass through this X house, and then over there, if we go inside with using the perspective mode, we can see through inside. Okay, let me go to the top level assembly and then show all component. Okay, you can see there. Great, you can see there, this is the hole, and then let me slowly inside there. Okay, that one, that's the hole over there for the passage through the cylinder over there. Okay, so these two things is finished, and we just want to continue to another part. Okay, for the next part we are going to create the piston, but this time I would like to give the different way of approach on creating the design. So I will create a new file for the piston. So this file, I will be creating the piston from here, and then we will going to insert those this piston to the overall to the assembly. Okay, I'm going to the at the front view, and then as usual we are going to create the center line for this particular piston, and then I put the dimension of the total is 20.75. okay, and then I start to create the shape here. Okay, from here to here, okay, to here, and then from here to here. Okay, and then this one should be joined together. Okay, and then I put this one. Okay, let's give this one should be the same line up, and then this one is already, and then we put the dimension here. The dimension should this diameter, right click, is 23.45. okay, and then this one diameter should be 21, and then okay, this one is collinear, this one and this one, and then this one should be 15.5. okay, and then now the length here is 5, and then this one from here to here should be 12.75. okay, and then this one to this one should be 19.25. okay, it's finished, and then we do the revolution. This is the profile, and this is the axis. okay, and then now we continue with the hole. So I click the hole over here. So if I click the position at this area in the cylinder, I will make a hole over there. So if you notice that Fusion will choose the hole will be only at this particular plane, or instead if I choose this one, they will only do in this particular plane over here. okay, so it's easier for us, we don't necessarily to create a plane over there. okay, let me use the top plane for the hole, and then the hole diameter will be 6.25. okay, and then the hole distance will be all going through over there. okay, and then I just click OK. oh no, I have to put a dimension. So this hole, the reference should be from this face here. The distance will be 8.75. okay, then I click OK. okay, that's it. This is the hole for the piston. okay, and then if you like to create a fillet, we just add a fillet. I add the fillet. Wait, I can choose the visual with the hidden edge, so I can see through. Fillet, I can see through inside there. okay, oh no, 2 is too large. 1, okay, 1 for the radius, and then we want to create a chamfer over here, 0.5. okay, and also I would like to create chamfer here, and here is 0.25. okay, I think it's all good, and then we just save this one, piston. okay, and then we close. Now the piston is already there, and we will continue to create the top of this cylinder, which is the cylinder head. So I need to create a new component here, cylinder head. okay, then I create from the top, from the front view here, and then I will begin to sketch. Before I sketch, I create the intersection for this one. okay, I will create this line for the reference. okay, and then this particular mid position for the also for the reference. Okay, I create a sketch, so I need to project this one. Okay, I'll create a sketch from here, and then to here. Okay, from here, okay, to here. Okay, this I reference this diameter for the inside, and then for the outside I will create the I will create the distance from here is 4.8. okay, and then 4.3, 8.3, 4.3, and then for the overall from here to here should be 8.3. okay, and then the diameter from here to here, diameter dimension should be 47. okay, yeah, 47. okay, and then so we usually use a dome for the position here, and then I need to do the that one to create the I use this construction line to make sure this arc is a tangent with this one. okay, so this one is a tangent. okay, and then we put the dimension from here to here, 3.2. okay, that's it. So this is the cylinder head. I finish sketch, create the revolution. This is the axis. okay, and then I create the sketch at the top, and I also want to project that face, and I also want to project the hole. So this one, which one is the hole? okay, this one is the hole. okay, just need one. okay, before I create the hole, I would like to create the, let me see, the circle, which is the diameter is 18. Then I just create the line from this center to over there, and then I offset this line 0.75, and I also offset there minus 0.75. okay, and then from this area I will create the fins. Sorry, not that one, this one. okay, so maybe the length of the fin will be 7. okay, before that I would like to create a fillet here, 0.75. okay, and then from here I just want to make a pattern to the feature, this one, then the axis would be this one, and then the instances. Okay, now maybe, yeah, I think 14 is a good. Okay, and then this fin. Okay, before I create the fillet, I would like to create the chamfer from here, maybe 4 or 5. Yeah, 5 would be good. And then I continue with the fillet there. Just edit the fillet. This one and this one. Okay, I edit the fillet. Okay, and then the feature, I should include this chamfer. Okay, yeah, that one. And then this also. Okay, this also I will open up the sketch here to create the minus 1.5. Okay, and then we create a hole with a threaded. The distance would be, okay, I will put the distance, and then the designation is M6, and then if I create the all, so the object to cut, I just want to make sure only the cylinder head will be cut. Then yeah, I think it's all good. And then I'm going to create a hole, contour bore for this particular 6 holes. So okay, before that I would like to create a offset plane from this one to 7 because I want to move over top there. Then I create a hole. This is the, so the hole will be hole, but object to cut is only cylinder head, and then is a clearance hole for the M3. Okay, now I don't want to use the clearance, just want to use a simple so I can control all the hole. 6.2, and then this one is 8.5. okay, yeah, over there, and then the diameter would be 3.5. okay, and then the position should be, oh, I need to project this. Okay, leave it there, and then need to project, create the, here I project the point over here, so that one, so this one is the, yeah, that one is the particular position. Okay, yeah, so let me see. Yeah, okay, it's perfectly at the position, and I create a circular with the feature. The axis will be over there, and 6 is the number of instances. Okay, let me check for the hole one by one. Okay, yeah, okay, I think it's all done for this hole. Or maybe the fin is not at the perfect number. How about if I use 16? Yeah, I think 16 would be good. Yeah, I think 16 would be good. Okay. Okay, we finish with the cylinder head, and then that's it for today. In the next session, I will be continuing to assemble all the part, and then make sure you follow my channel. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and don't forget to like. Bye bye.